The flat's near the centre of town. It has 4 bedrooms, a lovely living room with views over the town, and 2 bathrooms. The kitchen is very big, and there's a dining room next to it. The flat's on the 2nd floor. In the living room, there are 2 sofas and an armchair. There are a lot of pictures on the wall. There's a carpet in front of the fire, and there's a TV and a DVD player. There's a table in front of the sofa.
What's in your bag?
What's in my bag? Well, there's my phone and my purse, of course. I have some pens. I always have some pens, a blue one and a red one. And there's my diary. I need to know what appointments I have. And I have a lipstick. Oh, and keys. I have some keys. My house keys and my car keys. And that's all.
Describing your home. My new flat.
My new flat is near the centre of town, so I often walk to work. It's not very big, but it's very comfortable. There's just 1 bedroom, a living room, and quite a big kitchen with a table in the centre. This is good because I love cooking and I can invite my friends to dinner. The living room has 1 big window. It faces south, so it's always very sunny. I have 2 comfortable old armchairs, but I don't have a sofa because the room is quite small. There isn't a garden, but there's a small balcony in my bedroom. I want to put a chair there so I can sit in the sun on summer evenings. I love my new flat for many reasons. The big kitchen, the sunny living room, but most of all, I love it because it's my first home.